In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an Amazon gift card to your account. By the end, you'll have your gift card balance safely credited so you can use it toward your next purchase without any hassle. First, make sure you have your gift card claim code handy. This is a 14 or 16 character mix of letters and numbers. If you have a physical card, gently scratch off the panel on the back to reveal it. If it's a digital card, open the email you received and locate the code there. When you type the code, enter it exactly as shown, without any spaces or dashes. Now, on a web browser, either on your computer or your phone, go to Amazon and sign into your account. It's important to be in the right account because a gift card can only be redeemed once and it becomes tied to the account where you apply it. After signing in, move your cursor to Account and Lists at the top, then click your account. On the account page, look for the section labeled Gift Cards or a link that says Redeem a Gift Card and select it. On the Gift Cards page, click the button that says Redeem a Gift Card. You'll see a field where you can enter your claim code. Carefully type the code without extra characters. If you make a mistake, just delete and re-enter it. Accuracy matters here. When you're ready, click Apply to your balance. Within a moment, you should see your updated gift card balance displayed on the screen. That confirmation means your balance is now stored in your account. If you happen to be shopping already, there's a convenient alternative. During checkout, look for the option to redeem a gift card. You can paste or type your claim code there, and it will apply directly to your order total. This is especially handy if you want to use the card right away. A few important notes to keep everything smooth. Double-check that you're signed into the correct Amazon account before redeeming, because the code can't be moved later. Enter the code exactly as it appears. No spaces, no dashes, and no extra characters. And once your gift card is applied, the balance stays in your account. At checkout, Amazon will automatically use your available gift card funds first, unless you choose a different payment method. That's all there is to it. With your gift card added, you're ready to shop, and your balance will be there waiting whenever you check out. Happy redeeming, and enjoy your next purchase.